How to turn on or turn off mobile hotspot Wi-Fi sharing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down, then tap on connections. And from the connections page, we then scroll down and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Then tap on hotspot. After that, we go down and then tap on band. Now tap on advanced to expand out for more options. Now scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Wi-Fi sharing. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here, when this is turned on, you can share your phone's Wi-Fi connection. In addition to mobile data, this will always be kept on if auto hotspot is on. And then tap on saved. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key or you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.